Welcome to Evolution Expats, broadcasting from Jalisco, Mexico. I'm Brad, your guide to expatriate living. Now, today I have a story for you that you will become familiar with after you sail for distant shores. This evening I decided I wanted something sweet to enjoy after dinner, so I went to my local Pastelería, a dessert store. I went in and scanned all of the offerings, and Mexicans love sweets, so there's quite a bounty to choose from. Now, I've been here for 2 years, so my Spanish is fantastic, and dessert really isn't the hardest conversation to have. As my eyes bounced from one confession to another, I lingered on a pay de queso, or pie of cheese, as my brain translated. You see, even as you approach fluency in another language, you still tend to think in your native language and to translate into it. So I thought, pie of cheese, how is that dessert? No thanks. But a few moments later, I thought again, I've never had a pie of cheese. Maybe it's good. I'll try it. So I picked it up, had a look, and realized it wasn't a pie at all. It was a cheesecake with a blueberry topping, which didn't make any sense with my brain's translation software. Pie is pie, cake is keke, but apple pie is tarta de manzana, and cherry pie is pastel de cereza. Well, damn it, back to Spanish for beginners again, I guess. Pastel could also be cake or pie, unless it's cheesecake apparently, and sometimes tarta is pie, but not always. I think they do it on purpose. But there's no avoiding this situation, as you learn, so just embrace the goofiness of the misunderstanding and move on. Just look at this succulent slice of cheese pie. And don't worry, there's no such thing as the pie police. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to do all the liking, following, subscribing you can, so I can send you all the best stories, tips, and how-tos you need to build your dream life abroad. And as always, I do consults and turnkey solutions, so you have the paperwork you need to obtain legal status in your destination of choice. Contact me through the links in the description, and I'll help you too. Until next time, portense bien o invítenme.